This is how we set up our fifth wheel when we arrive at a campsite. First, we make sure that our slides won't hit anything. Hook up the power. We do have a built-in surge protector. Raise the front legs, disconnect the truck, and pull it forward. Push the auto level button and watch the magic happen. Open the door, drop the steps, and extend the slides. While Shelly starts organizing the inside, I continue on the outside and install the X-chocks. Hook up the water. We have a built-in water filtration system and an inline water pressure regulator. Hook up that stinky slinky system. Turn on the gas and the tankless hot water heater. Set up the porch. Install the dog fence. Hook up our Starlink and take a nap.